welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. I'm going to Khajuraho from Delhi via Vande Bharat in executive class. I'm going to be taking you to an entire tour of how this works, what all you get to eat, how is the washroom especially, and is the seating comfortable or not, and is it worth the money or not. So let's go. This is how you enter the executive class. You have 2 seats on each side which can be rotated to 180 degrees, which I will show you a little later, so please continue to watch. This is my seat where you have so much leg space and I can even keep my bag and stretch so much. Can you imagine? They welcome you with a morning newspaper and a red rose. How cute, right? I love roses. Let me know in the comments, do you also like roses, or what flower do you like? There is a top section to keep all your bags and be tension free. You also have this cool light that goes on and off just by a touch of a button. The TC comes on every station to check if you're the actual person traveling. One more cool thing, there is a water bottle holder which is right under the seat and a pocket in front of you. Also get an additional water bottle and you can ask for extra to keep yourself hydrated. Take you to the washroom, bin right outside. Foremost, the washrooms. That's the most important thing. So you have a hand dryer here, which is quite impressive actually. And then you have a soap dispenser right there. You have the wash basin and the mirror. Hello. And then you have like things to hang here, which is quite cool actually. And then you have a jet spray. Beat that, guys, please. Excuse me. And then you have a proper flush. And then the commode, which I'm not going to show you because clearly it's not really cool to show that. But it's very, very clean, to be honest. And yes, and you have also toilet papers, which is a great thing right there. I'll show you the Indian one. Again, the same concept like the Western one. And then, yeah, pretty much it's there. This is a lifesaver. Like, giving toilet roll is great. And then you have some certain rules that obviously you must follow. And you have this to hold, which is very important, especially people who lose balance like me. And then you have to press that for getting rid of your shit. And then the jet spray is the best part. Okay, so the washroom is pretty decent, but now I don't know how it goes after 9 hours. Is my favorite. You can recline the seat right behind, of course, without disturbing your fellow passengers. Oops, went too far. Anyway, this is how it's so good and comfortable. What I love is that they use paper cups, and yes, of course, there's a lot of branding. Like how they have these huge wide windows to look outside, but honestly I wish they were much more cleaner from the outside and so you could enjoy, but you can still watch out and enjoy the scenic views. Best part is the leg space. Oh my god, so good. And of course you have the table right here, and we're going to be serving breakfast. I've put the water bottle they gave me there, but my water bottle is right here. First meal awaits us. Let me show you how to put a little effort and pull out the food tray. I like how it is stacked inside the handrest rather than being all over the place. First meal is adrak ki chai with biscuit, not biscuit. Anyway, jokes apart, they also provide you with a sanitizer, which is so cool. They will add some hot boiling water alongside to mix the tea and sip as you travel along. Honestly, the tea was pretty decent, but the biscuit was so good. Not too sweet, not too plain, just perfect. As you finish the first course, you are at the first station and the doors open and close automatically. So we stopped at the Agra Camp station. It stops here for exactly 5 minutes. And then of course the doors will shut, which is a great thing in terms of safety. I'm not getting off. This is a travel safety thing. You can take a screenshot of this and read it carefully. And they also have a fire extinguisher right here while you stop. And this is the Agra Camp station. 5 minutes waiting, and I already mentioned. Okay, so Vande Bharat has 2 classes. One is the AC chair car, one is the executive class. The executive class is the one I'm sitting in, and in this basically the advantage is that the leg space, A. B is the fact that you can rotate your seats towards your passenger friend. You can actually sit like a four-seater sort of thing, which is really cool actually, if you're going in a bigger group, considering. And then, so basically that is, and then there is a difference in the type of food also you get, and then there is a better service, and that is probably why they take more charges. However, I am enjoying a lot of other complimentary services, and the staff is super kind. And I appreciate that police comes and goes in every station to check that everyone is safe. Now comes the next meal. Guess what? Drum roll! Cornflakes and with hot milk. Taste time. Warning, it's bloody hot. Muh hi jal gaya. Be careful. Don't be an enthu cutlet like me. I forgot to mention the charging station right beside your seat, which is so cool. Charging with USB also and plug point also, which actually works. It doesn't end here. It was breakfast, actual breakfast time. We were given muffin, 2 slices of bread, omelette, mango juice, 2 bananas, hand sanitizer. Wonder why they're obsessed with it. Bread to my taste was little dry, but the omelette was pretty nice and fluffy. Curd was too khatta for my taste, but again, taste sabka alag hota hai. My favorite part was the mango juice, which was genuinely the best. By the stations, one thing I realized कि how we never give credit to our railways. इतना comfortable है ये journey, plus the fact that तुम्हें इतना pamper किया जाता है time to time, unlike domestic flights which do end up also getting cancelled. अगला स्टेशन ग्वालियर है. दरवाजे दाएं तरफ खुलेंगे. कृपया सावधानी से उतरें. We've just stopped at the Gwalior station. Other than it being Kartik Aaryan's hometown, it is also considered as the city of temples. It has a lot of palaces and a lot of religious sites that you can stop by and see also. Next to the door, information about the train, the speed, the time, everything is mentioned right there. The station Virangana Lakshmibai Jhansi railway station hai. This city has very interesting tales to tell about our history. The city belongs to Rani Lakshmibai, a fierce lady who fought against the Britishers for our independence. An inspiration to many, she is a legend you must read and learn about, popularly known as Jhansi Ki Rani. Train stops here for 2 to 3 minutes. Stop at Lalitpur Junction. This is where the train changes its tracks. Stopped at the Lalitpur station. Here it stops for around 10 minutes, and this is like a junction. So, and also known for temples in Hindu and Jainism. While we wait for the train to move, it was time for some soup. You get to choose your own flavor. I chose hot and sour, which was again mixed with hot water alongside some breadsticks and butter. Pretty good and filling. Trains में you can easily talk, chit chat किसी के साथ भी, and यहाँ पे कोई judge नहीं करता. Unlike flights and airports, मतलब just a personal opinion. बाकी you let me know what you think. Also, as a solo traveler, I felt very safe while traveling in Vande Bharat. The station you pass by is Tikkamgarh. ज़्यादा नहीं जानती इसके बारे में, तो if you know, let me know. And यहाँ पे the train stops for exactly 2 minutes. बहुत ही सही फीचर है. अगर ज़्यादा सनलाइट लगे तो you can drop down the shades. सही है ना? करते करते लंच टाइम हो ही गया. And here's what you get. गुलाब जामुन, अचार, रोटी, सब्जी, chicken, dal and rice. Please note that this is a non-veg meal, which was actually the best from all the meals I had. Each and everything on the platter was so delicious. ट्रेन का खाने का मज़ा ही कुछ और है. I mean genuinely, if you agree, बताना ज़रूर. Before I show you the best feature of executive class, I have to show you what AC chair car really looks like. So here's my verdict, okay? I was in the executive class, but I showed you the AC chair car. Now the thing is, in the AC chair car, the leg space is less. Even the seats are smaller, and then you have 2 seats, and then you have 3 seats अलग से. And खाना भी just executive में इतना pamper करके वहाँ नहीं करते. Also price difference है, but I think थोड़ा सा extra देके you can always go for the luxury. and why not go for the best? I mean, you tell me, आप कौन सा choose करोगे, AC chair car या executive class? In the end, I will tell you the prices of each of them and my final verdict on how the journey was and what were the hits and misses in the end. Last and final station before we end this journey. Now we are on the Chandipur station, which is the last station before we reach Khajuraho, and it stops here for about 2 to 3 minutes. And yeah, pretty much it is a part of Madhya Pradesh and very close to Khajuraho. If you map it technically, even by road you reach in an hour or something. So yeah, once I reach Khajuraho, I will give you more information about the entire journey and my feedback. Thank you for waiting for the best part. These are the rotating seats in executive class. These seats rotate 180 degrees by just pressing this one lever. You can shift towards the window or towards your fellow travelers, just up to you. So I rotated the seat and my view is right in front of me and I'm sitting like this. So cool, right? This is what the executive class has the biggest advantage of. Chairs are rotating. I rotated this one, that then you can see towards the window, and then people have rotated towards each other. So this is really cool about executive class, isn't it? It basically rotates 180 degree and seats are here and I'm sitting here alongside. How cool, right? My destination is almost here. Wait until I tell you the prices, the hits and misses, and was it worth the money or not. Here's my final verdict on Vande Bharat, Delhi to Khajuraho, Khajuraho to Delhi. Firstly, I think you should take the executive class, one, because the amount of pampering that you get is insane. I know the price is double, so executive class costs you about 3,000 plus taxes, and the AC chair car is about 1,600 plus taxes. However, the kind of meals you get here, the kind of comfort you get in executive class, it's crazy. The only miss that I felt in the executive class was the fact that I wish that they gave some sort of pillow or something for support, and they gave like a comforter, because बहुत ठंड लग रही थी यार मुझे at some point. Yeah, they can, like, if you request them, they can adjust the AC temperature, but not everybody goes by the same AC temperature. तो मुझे वो वहाँ एक थोड़ा मिस सा लगा, but other than that, I think the entire trip was so comfortable, and I wish that everyone should take a train journey in Vande Bharat. At least this one was great. I don't know about the other ones, but soon I will be taking some more and I will be giving you more and more feedback. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching, and yes,